I'll show you how to make the best ricotta you've ever had. Trust the process, believe in yourself. Let's go. We're gonna put a large pot on medium heat and we're gonna pour in a gallon of milk. Now you want whole milk and you want pasteurized or raw. You do not want ultra pasteurized. Just so you know, the Walmart milk, at least in my area, says pasteurized. So I've been using Walmart milk for all my cheeses. You're gonna wanna stir in 2 teaspoons of salt, preferably kosher salt. Okay, we're looking for 185 degrees. Oh, look at that. We're getting close. Just another degree. Okay, when it reaches 185, you're gonna wanna put in 6 teaspoons of vinegar and stir it. It'll start to curdle. You can start seeing it now, look at that. If 6 doesn't work, then put another 2. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we wanna keep this at 185 for 20 minutes. I wanna up the temp a little bit because we might have cooled it off. You don't really wanna mess with it too much at this point. You can have it as low as 175 or as high as 190, but you wanna keep it around that 185 as much as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and just turn up the temp. I'm gonna monitor this temp for 20 minutes. Yeah, you might have to babysit it, turn the heat up, turn the heat off. All right, it has been exactly 20 minutes. Let's see what we got here. 185. I'm happy with that. Let's try another area. Perfect. Now, it wasn't that hard, guys. Honestly, all you got to do is either turn it off if it gets a little hot or turn it on to simmer. You do that for 20 minutes. That's all you have to do. You don't have to get it to boiling, or you don't have to get it up high. You don't have to get it off the stove. Just go between simmer and off, and that'll stay within a couple degrees of 185. It wasn't that hard at all. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this over to the counter and we're going to separate this. All right, that is done. And now all you're gonna do to make your ricotta officially done is you're gonna take it out. Look at that, it already actually looks like ricotta. Now you wanna use a slotted spoon or a spider strainer for this. The reason being is you don't wanna dump everything into here. If you dump everything into here, you're gonna clog up all these holes and this will never drain. And you're gonna have to put this on your counter for at least an hour, maybe 2, to drain everything off. This makes a lot of ricotta. 1 gallon will make about 2 pounds, 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds. Just be prepared, you're gonna have a lot. And you wanna sit this on your counter to drain for, I'd say drain it for 2 hours. Don't touch it. Okay, the homemade ricotta is done. I let it sit overnight. Now remember, the longer you let this strain, the drier it'll get. So make sure you pay attention to it every 20 minutes or so to get the consistency you're looking for. So this side I've got honey, this side is normal. I've warmed it up a little bit. And we're gonna see if Trina likes it, because Trina does not like ricotta. She never really has. It's the texture thing, it's the bitterness of it. None of that here, trust me on this. Let's get her in here. Trina! Trina! Oh, probably gonna have to wake her up. Where's she at? Get in here, get in here. Playing around, play these games. Okay.
Okay.
I know you don't like ricotta.
Yes.
But this is amazing. Just, this is honey, this is without. So I want you to try without first.
Okay.
Yeah, try the without first. Just instantly texture. If you like it, don't like it. If it's better than, what do you think?
It still has like the crumbliness of a ricotta, but it seems more softer and smoother.
Yeah. And is there
it's
bitter?
not as bad. There's no bitterness to this one.
Yeah, see, that's what I don't like about ricotta myself.
And it is better.
Try that with honey though. This is how sometimes they eat it in Italy. They'll eat it just as a, I don't know. Oh, you got some on you. Get that out of here. Here. What do you think?
That's good. I've never had honey on ricotta.
That's
good.
It's honestly, it's not the ricotta used to in the store. The ricotta used to in the store is just something else.
I can't do the store ricotta.
This is actually good with honey.
It's very good.
We actually put this in our skillet penne. You'll see a video on that. It works amazing in any Italian food. Trust the process, believe in yourself. If we can do it, you can absolutely do it. We'll see you next time.
Yeah.